Okay, so we're gonna to install the Aver U50. So first thing you're gonna type in is Aver U50. Should get you to the website. Then you go to make sure it's the correct one, so it should be. Let's try that again. U50. So this is the document camera that I purchased for my teachers. Of course, some teachers do like the older Elmos, but I enjoy this one much better. So go to resources, go to support. And then you're gonna find the type of computer you have. So we're gonna go to software, the sphere. It's gonna ask you what kind of OS you have. So I'm gonna go, this one is a Mac, so I'm gonna go with Mac and go ahead and download it. It's gonna ask me to download onto my desktop. Now, depending on your Chromebook or your computer, it might take a few more minutes than mine. It usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes to install the whole program. It seemed like it went pretty quick this time. So I'm gonna open it. If for some reason it doesn't want to open, there might be the desktop icon. Try it again. It might not allow a security process. So what you need to do is, if it pops up saying about something about security preferences, just press OK. Let's go to the preference, system preferences. You're gonna have to go to your security, and it's gonna have to access to allow it. So it should be up here and asking you, do you want to allow it? Say open anyways, and it should start and just open, and it should be able to start downloading the software. Now I do have a software already installed, so I'm not sure if it's gonna let me install it, or it might update it and remove the old one. Okay, so once it's installed, it should go. You can go to go to applications, and it should be under sphere. If it's not under sphere, it could be under A plus suite. You open it, and there's your sphere. And then you just do drag and drop. You drag and you drop it into your toolbar. Okay, so that's one way to do it with Aver 50. You don't have to have the document camera connected to it. As long as you download the software, is fine. Now, if you just want the sphere, there's also for the Chromebooks the sphere light that you can use. That's another process. We would have to go back to the web page and to the site and to support and look for the Chromebook. And I'll do that another time. Thank you for your time.